Now, Papi and Adelina eating watermelon. I give this one to my beloved. Adelina, come. Adelina, yala, Papi, yala. Adelina, eating watermelon. You see, guys, huh? My love, eating watermelon. Papi and Adelina, love na ako ni Akaayu. See? What I'm eating food, they ate also. They ate pansit. They ate biscuit. They ate rice. See? Oh. So, they are not fighting because they are loving to each other. Yeah, finish. Oh, where you go, Adelina? Adelina, finish, habibi? Finish, you want more? You want more? Okay, I will give you, okay? This one. Okay, I slice. And then, okay. Okay, one for you and one for Adelina. Okay, Adelina. Okay, Papi. Kaya Papi eat you. Yuhu, kumpalangga kong Papi Adelina. Love, okay? Bye-bye.